Bajaj, innovative farm-to-table engineering.
Prestigious institutions, Bajaj Processpack Limited is powering the next generation of industrial automation. At IIT Tirupati, our cutting-edge machines are more than equipment. The latest Sampunpur, they are enablers of excellence. Surrounding the pillars of education, moving beyond the gates of academia, Bajaj Processpack Limited delivers machines that power India's growth, one institution at a time. Welcome to the vibrant and ever-evolving campus of IIT Tirupati, a hub of cutting-edge innovation and world-class research. Nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, this premier institute is not just shaping minds but building the future of Indian technology. Together with IIT Tirupati, we are creating a future where education and engineering meet purpose. Bajaj Processpack Limited, powering innovation, driving possibilities. Bajaj Processpack Limited is proud to power modern innovation with world-class packaging and processing machinery. At IIT Tirupati, our state-of-the-art machine isn't just equipment. It's a step towards smarter, future-ready processing. From filling to sealing, from automation to efficiency, every our machine is built with next-generation technology and unmatched engineering. Designed for intuitive control and smooth integration into diverse environments, our systems serve industries ranging from food and dairy to pharma and agriculture. For decades, Bajaj Processpack Limited has empowered institutions and industries with turnkey solutions that redefine operational standards. This isn't just equipment. This is performance, precision, and partnership, built into every machine, installed with every commitment.